Alright, so in this video I'll show you two things if you are using Git as a revision control system, and I'll take the example on Linux kernel source tree just to show you that what are the commits to a specific release. Release are happen with a specific tag number. Okay, so few days back Linux released 6.17 kernel to the public, and people might be interested or curious to know what are the commit it contains, right? So it's a simple process, just giving one single command and it will show you the listing. To give you some sort of demonstration what I've just babbled to you, let me go to my terminal. I'm inside a Linux mainline kernel Git repository. So all I have to do, git log one line that will print the hash as well as one line description of the commits. And all I have to do, uh, the version should be preceded with V and 6.17. That is the version released a few days back, the new kernel by Linux. Okay, so if I do write on the inside the git repo, so and press enter, see, these are the commits which is having inside that particular tag. Okay, till this point. Okay, these are the commit contains this particular release point. Okay, now um, every release has this particular tag or release come from a 7 RCs. The Linux kernel generally gets related developed 2.5 months, then the new kernel gets released. So so RC will be tagged 6.17 -RC1 RC2 till RC7. Once that is done, the whole version gets released. Like once that 6.17 -RC7, uh, it get, if I rerun this command and if I go here, look at the bottom of the screen. See, the last tag was 6.17 -RC1. That was the last release point. So once that is over, and if something not abnormal or something require urgently, RC8 happen, and it happen only if it is required at all. Otherwise RC7 is probably the cutoff point, and after that the new release will happen. Okay, so uh, this is one point. So once it read RC7, it simply go to the next version number. Okay, now if I wanted to diff between the previous to, say, v6.16 dot dot, that double dot specifies the range v6.17. so in this way you can find out what are the difference, or what are the commits has been inducted to the release of 6.17 from 6.16. Okay, so this is the range you can find out like this from RC1 to 6.17. I hope you are getting me right. So if I do like this is the top of it. If I scroll down, you see RC7 has gone. I hope I'm not scrolling too fast so it can catch your eyes. See RC6. Likewise, it'll go down to RC1, 6.17 -RC1 to RC7. Okay, This is the general cycle. RC8 is required only if something require urgent fix or some other bug has come which has been fixed, then only the RC8 will happen. Otherwise RC7 is good enough to get the cut for the new kernel release. So I just pointed out that you could figure out by yourself with a simple two command git log command what are the specific commits in a particular tag or release, or what what is what is the difference between the previous two release, or the previous release with the latest release. The previous release was 6.16 and the latest one is 6.17. You could easily find the all the commits which went through and become 6.17 from 6.16. Okay, so this is the command what is on your screen, a simple one-liner to find out the commits. And as I show you before, so if you want a particular release commits, you can see like this. Okay, so it's very easy to find out. So I hope it will be useful for some people who are curious. Thanks for watching.